Clap, clap, clap with his rapping ass. Clap, clap, clap with your trapping ass. Clap, clap, clap with his rapping ass. Clap, 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 clap. Time for DJ Big Up, DJ Big Up, DJ Big Up. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you are new, today's video is sponsored by a hair company called WorldNewHair. The unit that they sent me is 22-inch 5x5 180% density water wave unit. I love water waves. And let's get straight to the unboxing of this unit. So this is the bag that the unit comes in. And we have some gifts here. We have some lashes. These are very pretty. An elastic band, a nude wig cap. We have a card here with all of their social media information. Also, we have their business card. So this is the unit, you guys. The curls are very, very, very soft. So soft. It's just flowing. I love this curl. I love the quality of this unit. It's beautiful. 5x5 closure. I love 5x5 closures because you can pull it off like you can a frontal if you know what you're doing. It comes with baby hairs and the lace is actually transparent. We have two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and with the built-in adjustable straps. So usually with transparent lace wigs, I put foundation on the lace so that it can match my skin tone, because with transparent lace wigs, it appears white on your skin tone if you are a woman of color. I'll show you guys an example. This is how it would look without any makeup, without any bleaching or anything. Definitely don't want to walk around with white lace, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. And I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown foundation. This is in the color Warm Almond with my regular foundation brush. All you're gonna do is brush the foundation onto the lace, just like you put foundation on your face, okay? So that's how it looks afterwards. And I always make sure that I put the foundation right at the edge of the hairline. That's very important. So that's what it's looking like. A lot better than it did before, okay? Even when it's parted, it looks a lot better too.
You're sleazy, you're freaky, I never met a girl that does the thing that you
right, y'all, I'm done styling this unit, and what can I say? I love it. The waves are so flowy, it's so soft, it's everything, okay? I'm loving it. This quality is amazing, okay? I would say this is definitely beginner friendly because of the 5x5 lace. It looks like it's a, to me, it looks like it's a frontal, okay? Like you can play this off as a frontal. Yeah, that is it. Y'all let me know in the comment section below what you think about this unit. Don't forget to check the link in the description box below. You may have a coupon code, and there is the direct link to this wig as well. Y'all know y'all love it. Go ahead and pick it up, okay? Summertime is coming up. I mean, springtime is coming soon. This is the perfect wig for springtime. You can get it wet, you can wear it wet, you can wear it dry. It's gonna be cute for the pool, the beach. Just get ready for that spring break, okay? I would like to thank WorldNewHair for sponsoring this video and for sending me this unit. I love it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, you guys.
Clap with his rapping ass. Clap, clap, clap with your trapping ass. Clap, clap, clap with his rapping ass. Clap, 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 clap. Time for DJ Big DJ Big